Bethany Scott here, and welcome to my channel. Today I am bringing you another unboxing. This one actually is not a Black Friday unboxing, but it is probably just as great. I have to show you what's on my desk right now. It is from Scrappy Boy Stamps. If you know, they just got picked up by scrapbook.com, but I am always still loyal to them on their own crafty site, and they have what's called a Better Than Black Friday sale. It happens every year, and generally I try to shop it, or at least support in some way, shape, or form by telling people about it if I can't shop it. But this year I fulfilled a few things on my wish list. Not everything, believe me. I love Scrappy Boy Stamps. They are so cute, so fun, and of course they had a Wicked set. Even though I already have a Wicked set, I just could not pass up on this one because it's just so cute. And the Grimoire right there, which I think I got something else that coordinates with that. Maybe I'm wrong. I could be wrong. Nope, I'm not wrong. Okay, I got the Spellbook mini album, which is basically in the shape of the Grimoire, and it says, "I love your wicked ways," and I feel like that's a very cute stamp set and die that would coordinate very well together. And yeah, I cannot wait to play with that one. This one has been on my wish list since the day I saw it in the release. It's the Cute Girls Coffee. It's just a fun, if you've seen me around, I talk about coffee a lot. I also have a lot of coffee themed stamps, so this just always was appropriate, and I feel like, yeah, I'm gonna use this one a lot too. This one's purely for my girls because they were looking over my shoulder when I was selecting what I wanted. And they love Princess Tiana, so here we go, some Princess Tiana for them. And then because Tiana was chosen, so was Rapunzel. We have a small obsession with Rapunzel. Danny's favorite princess is Rapunzel. Elise floats between Little Mermaid and Belle, but mostly it's Belle. And then of course the Cinderella set, because Valentine's Day is coming up, and a Cinderella card theme seems to work well with Valentine's Day. And then I do love this. I had to show off in a craft room not so far away. I feel like that will be fun for a whole bunch of different stamp sets or makes. And then a stencil set that I loved was the I Love Makeup layered background, and this one I believe is just, yep, it's just a 2-layered stencil set, but because I sell Mary Kay, I felt, hey, this is appropriate. I may need to make some thank you cards. Actually, I do need to make some thank you cards. Some people ordered for me that I was like, oh, thank you. So I do want to send them some thank you cards. And then this one is a Wicked extension, but it's an A2 Oz scene builder, and it says wee bit wicked, yeah, and defying gravity, of course. So these were just coordinating die sets that go with the Wicked theme, so I'll put that there. This is mousicles, so you can see there's a popsicle and a mouse head, and then different decorative versions of it. And coordinating with that is the balloon shaker mouse head. So making a shaker card or a shaker, gift tag, whatever you want, that's just the way to go. Or you could do it for scrapbooking too. Totally fine. Similar is the glove shaker card, which our children have this thing for the heart. So I just couldn't pass it up. And because of the amazing sale, this was a fraction of what it should have cost me. Same thing, game controller card. I believe this one you can make it into a die or a shaker card as well. I believe, because there's an outside die and inside die. I think so. I'm 90% sure. I'll have to go digging. And then this one is the birthday pop-up envelope. So this is like a little gift card envelope, and I feel like I could use this for a lot of different things. But a coordinating die set is the gift card holder. So this one is a little bit different than the gift card holder I did a video previously from, I think that was in the kit of the month from Simon Says Stamp. So this one will be just a different version of a gift card holder. Same thing here, different version of a gift card holder. So I thought both would be appropriate, super cute, really fun, especially because that one's Mickey Mouse themed. This one's just more standard, has a candle, happy birthday. So lots of fun things. I am not prepared to dive into making a card today, but I just had to show off because how fun. Maybe I will try my best before the end of the year to make a Defying Gravity themed card, because there's some people that I know and love and cherish that need a card that just reminds them that all that they're doing, they are defying gravity. So, in any case, thank you all for joining me for this quick unboxing. I appreciate your love and your support. Check out the links down below, the affiliate links, click them. If you intend to shop some of the Amazon buys or some of the, I believe I have Not Too Shabby shops link up there. I'll have more links coming soon. I just have to take the time to make the links, but I appreciate all the support. Even a click, a thumbs up, sharing our channel, subscribing. Those are all free ways just to help out a little bit, and we appreciate you all. So thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to find the joy in your day, and happy making. Bye.